The rat trap story is about an old, disheartened peddler who is taken in and shown generosity by a young woman. Her generosity and kindness changes his bitter attitude towards life. The story conveys a universal message that the essential goodness in a human being can be awakened through love, respect, kindness, and understanding. It shows human tendency to redeem themselves from dishonest ways, as does the peddler at the end of the story. Our group has worked to convert the story into a ballad titled
The
The
Ballad
Ballad
of
of
Rat
Rat
Trap.
Trap. Sunken cheeks, gleaming hunger in my eyes. I sell rat traps of wire. I beg and steal to survive. Vagabond is not what I desire. The emotion I long for has always been so distant. Cold sneers, bitter sour faces were only the ones constant. While making my rat traps, the wild truth shook by. The whole world's a big rat trap, cried I, dried tears in my eye. The stars peeped, applauded ahead, searching roof for the night's stay. A lonely crofter in his cottage welcomed me to his dismay. The courteous crofter to me he offered some porridge and a tobacco pipe. He had no wife nor child. We played majolies for a while. I once worked in Ramsdorf field, he said, but now the cow is all I need. He showed me 30 krona bills, and it's all true indeed. Upon the sparrow's cheerful chirp, we both diverged paths. I didn't half an hour later. I snugged the money, alas! I walked and walked in the endless woods. The public highway I dared not to. All of it was a bait, I realized. The inescapable rat trap I fell right into. It was late in December. In gloom and despair, I heard hammers. I entered the Ramster mill, following the stammers. The blacksmith gave his consent. Indifferent glades purred so deep, but I paid no heed. I just wanted warmth and sleep.
Iron Master came into the forge for the night inspection. He looked and mistook me as Nils Olaf and said, "How you do look?"
God knows things have gone downhill with me.
I said. By looking Iron Master, I hoped a couple of kroner. Instead, the lonely Iron Master invited me to his manor to celebrate Christmas with his family. I only wanted a chance to sleep and sneak away inconspicuously. I said no, no, and again no. His daughter came next. I did. She was not pretty, but modest and shy. My name is Edla Wilmonson, she said.
A demure young lady she was. She ain't no angel, though she had a kind heart. I followed her without a strangle. I slept the night with frightened heart. The next day I was bathed and shaved, in a suit and clean cut hair. I was now well groomed. I was in the trap which devil pushed me in. The host realized I was not his comrade. They looked at me just like I have done a sin. I will call the sheriff, he forbade. Based on behavior, splendor came to an end. Pleased for rest, but nothing harmed. The whole world's a big rat trap. I want the Iron Master to be armed.
The Iron Master regretted me and ordered me to get out, but Edla was happy to have me, and both were about to bout. She decided to give a Christmas cheer when no one welcomed me to take a bite. I did nothing but sleep and eat. I felt peace after a long blight. Christmas tree was lit, the feast was set. You are welcome for the next year, Edla said. She gave me the suit as a gift. I stayed and my amazement spread. They went out the next day. I decided to leave before they returned and left a package in the mansion as a present to Edla for her concern. I addressed a letter, a red trap, along with 30 kroners to her. In regard of Captain von Stahle, I signed. I found the exit of red trap due to her.